During the course of the time that you had contact with Neverland Ranch as a guest, did you have occasion to meet a young man named Jason?
Yes, I did.
Did you meet him at the ranch for the first time, or did you meet him someplace else?
It was at the ranch.
And on how many occasions did you see Jason at the ranch?
Quite a few. I mean, especially during family day. About 4 times.
Okay, all right. And did you also get to know Jason outside of Neverland?
Yes, I did.
And how was that?
We went to high school together.
What high school was that?
Santa Maria High School.
All right. Now, during the time that you spent with Jason at the ranch, did you ever see Mr. Jackson there at the same time that you and Jason were there?
Yes.
Did you ever see Mr. Jackson interact with Jason in any inappropriate way whatsoever?
No.
What kind of a relationship did Mr. seem to have? And at the time, I guess he was younger, but we'll call him Jason. What kind of relationship did Jason have with Mr. Jackson, as far as you could tell?
Just a normal one. I mean...
What kind of relationship did you have with Mr. Jackson?
Just a normal one.
So, was your relationship any different as far as you could tell from that of Mr.
No, it wasn't.
All right. Now, during the time that you were with Mr. at the ranch and thereafter throughout high school in Santa Maria, did you ever hear Mr. mention in any way anything inappropriate happening with Mr. Jackson?
No.
And during high school, did you consider yourself friends with Jason?
Yes.
Did you hang around with the same circle of friends?
Yes.
But what does this witness really know? On cross-examination, Assistant District Attorney Gordon Auchincloss tries to prove it ain't very much.
Mr. Velasco, have you ever slept with Mr. Jackson?
No, I haven't.
Has that ever occurred to you to sleep with Mr. Jackson?
Never.
Did you ever want to sleep with Mr. Jackson?
No.
Do you believe that child molest victims normally broadcast the fact that they're victims to their high school peers?
Objection, beyond the scope of direct and no foundation.
Sustained.
Your testimony is that you never heard that Jason or Jason never told you that he was molested by Mr. Jackson.
Correct.
You have seen Mr. Jackson interact with Jason, true?
Well, he talked to all of us. It wasn't just specifically him.
Okay. My question was, have you seen Jason interact with Michael Jackson?
Yes.
Jason was a friend of Mr. Jackson's, true?
Yes.
And do you have any idea whatsoever whether Jason was molested by Michael Jackson?
Objection calls for an opinion without foundation beyond the scope of direct.
Overruled. You may answer.
No.
You have no idea. Thank you. No further questions.
All right. Did you see or hear anything that suggested to you in any way that Jason was molested by Michael Jackson?
Never.
Okay, thank you. No further questions?